The city of Houston just spent thousands of dollars to settle a claim that an HPD officer jailed a lawyer for no good reason.
All the lawyer wanted was an apology. When she didn't get one, she sued. Now that the case is over, she talked to our Larry Seward. Larry?
Well, Lynn, Mia, that lawyer wanted HPD to hold the officer involved accountable, but settled for money when they fought back.
I'm telling you, you're going to get arrested.
This Houston police officer.
I'm calling the captain on this. This is not right.
Jailed lawyer UA Lewis.
She put a homicide hold on me, so I didn't have a bond.
And made sure she stayed there overnight on an interfering charge.
Video doesn't lie, and it doesn't take sides.
Dismissed 3 months later. More aggravating, the lawsuit settled in Lewis's favor that she did not want.
I was hoping that HPD would look at her behavior and say, you know what? We don't agree with this. We don't agree with this. And what we're going to do is we're going to address this and address her and her behavior. I mean, McDonald's would do it.
Almost 4 years ago, Lewis called HPD when a mechanic put his hands on her coworker's wrist. But in her report, that officer doubted the, quote, attorney, took the other guy's side, and used handcuffs.
You're interfering with the police investigation.
After Lewis spoke up, prosecutors pushed a plea deal for months.
As a civil rights lawyer, I could not.
But Lewis fought. Once cleared, she asked HPD to discipline the officer involved. Attorney Randall Callanan sued when they didn't.
People are arrested for lack of a better term, failure to bow down to a police officer.
When she took that authority and abused it, and I know it as a civil rights lawyer, how could I let her get away with that? How could I not have her to address that?
Last month, the city settled for an undisclosed amount. In a statement, a spokesperson told us, the city tries and settles many disputes and always weighs the risks of litigation and makes decisions in its best interest and that of taxpayers. This case was no different. Lewis offered the city a partial refund, $5,000, for an apology, but she's still waiting.
Now tonight, that officer is still on the force. HPD had no comment about this case. We mentioned that Ms. Lewis is a civil lawyer. She actually won a judgment today. She says this case helps her to be a better lawyer because now she can relate to the people on the other side of the bar.
She's not telling you how much she settled for, is she?
No, she's not, but it was enough that she could offer $5 grand.
I got you. Thank you.